To know more, you have to go deeper. It's like being drawn by a magnet. The closer you get to the center, the stronger you feel the pull. This is the point where you need not to seek, but to respond. Not to speculate, but to listen. But what are we listening to? We've discovered so far that to pray, we need silence and space. We need to learn to see more deeply and to share in the sufferings of others. We need to reach out and touch and be touched. But what lies behind all this? Is it just the restlessness of the human spirit? Is it just a weariness with material values? Is it fear? The fear of death, of being finally alone. The religions and philosophies of the world offer different explanations. There are hundreds of plausible interpretations to choose from. Many believe that we can never finally know, and that all our speculations are futile. Man is a tiny, fragile point of consciousness in a vast, dark universe. But supposing that the mystery at the heart of it all made itself known. Supposing the mystery spoke to us in human speech. The first words of the Bible announce that this is what has happened. In the beginning, God. In the beginning, God. Before man's search for God begins, God has already begun his search for man. The Bible reflects in human speech what God is saying to men and women of all times and ages. The Bible is the human record of a divine conversation that is still going on. Here you'll find your own story and its meaning. Here you'll find what God has promised for you. The Christian Church honors the Bible as a sacred book. It has a central place in worship. It's been constantly studied by professional Christians, the clergy, scholars, preachers, and teachers. But it's also a personal book, which you can make your own. Through the Bible, God will show you the truth of your heart. You'll begin to understand how God has been reaching out to you since before you can remember. You'll begin to realize that all the unique strands of your life are being woven into a pattern. You yourself are created in the image of God. You are a unique and unrepeatable reflection of what it means to be God. You are in the image of God. But you're flawed and imperfect. You need to discover how far there is to go and how much there is to learn. The Bible will encourage you never to despair of yourself, never to give up hope for yourself. However unpromising your life may seem to you, God is faithful to his original promise. The Bible unfolds what God has done to bring you your freedom from all the pressures that weigh you down and make you want to give up. So in your prayer, make time to listen to what God is saying to you through the Bible. Choose a passage and read it slowly. Let the words really sink in. Ask God to speak to you. Ask God to unfold to you the story of your life.